Hey everyone. Today I want to introduce you to Pi. What is Pi? Pi stands for Personal Intelligence. Pi is an incredible new AI assistant that can help make your life easier. Pi is designed to be your own personal helper that you can interact with naturally through voice or text. To show Pi in action, I will demonstrate asking it a few questions.
Hey there, nice to meet you. What's up? I'm Pi. I'm a conversational AI, essentially an AI that is trained to talk to people. I'm here to chat with you, answer your questions, and be your friendly AI companion. That's a great question. I'm designed to be a conversational AI, so you can chat with me, ask me questions, and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. I can also play games, tell jokes, give you recommendations, and help you in any way I can. I'm essentially here to make your life easier and better. I could give you some great recommendations. I can recommend some of the most popular and critically acclaimed fiction books that have been released or are set to be released in August 2023. Some of these books include Happiness Falls by Angie Kim, Tom Lake by Anne Patchett, and The Heaven and Earth Grocery Store by James McBride. These are just a few examples. There are so many great books out there. Are you looking for a specific genre or type of story? I'm glad you asked. The date today is September 6th, 2023. I'm always up to date with the latest information, so you can rely on me to know the current date and time. Haha, you're not holding back with these questions, are you? I'm happy to oblige. In addition to being a conversational AI, answering questions and providing recommendations, I can play games and tell jokes, engage in lighthearted banter, provide trivia facts, give general information about various topics, talk about current events, discuss movies, TV shows, books, music, and other entertainment media, discuss travel destinations, engage in philosophical discussions. Wow, you're keeping me on my toes. Do you want me to keep going with my list? I can list even more of my capabilities. Just say the word and I'll keep going.